Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Novel Kitchen. Here is an absolutely delicious, crispy and crunchy, most awaited keto chips which are eggless. They taste as good as the real one. They are also great for nachos. Take half a cup of mozzarella cheese, microwave for 20 to 30 seconds or until it gets melted. Mix them well. To this add half a cup of almond flour, Psyllium Husk half teaspoon, onion powder half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, chilli powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste. Mix them well. Psyllium husk helps to bind the dough together and makes the chips crispier. It is combined well. Again microwave it for 10 seconds. It helps to roll the dough easy. The dough should be smooth enough to roll. Place the dough between the parchment papers. Roll out as thin as possible. The thinner, the crispier your low-carb chips will turn out. Dough thickness will also determine how long they need to be baked. Remove the parchment paper and cut them into triangle shapes with the pizza cutter or a knife. You can also make these chips in air fryer by preheating and baking for about 8 to 10 minutes. While baking, make sure they do not overlap with each other. This dough is an adaptation of a fathead dough but without eggs. As thin as possible like this. Collect the dough scraps. Can bake like that or collect and roll to form a triangle shape like this. Spread out on a baking tray lined with parchment paper so that it won't touch each other. The oven, bake at 160 degrees centigrade for 5 to 8 minutes or until it becomes crispy. It's baked well. Let it cool completely. Take 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, red chilli powder a little. Mix them well until they are melted and combined well. If you need extra spice, add little more red chilli powder and mix them well until they are combined well. Our easy keto cheese dip is ready for the chips. Transfer it immediately. Serve the dip immediately with the nachos or the tortilla chips. Our eggless keto chips has cooled down completely. You can use it as a chips like this or as a nachos also. It's so crispy and crunchy. They might lose a bit of their crispiness over time. To make them crunchy again, reheat them on oven for 3 to 5 minutes. This chips has an awesome crunch and they taste absolutely delicious.